Okay, the first question, what does HIPAA stands for? There are 4 options. Option A, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Option B, Health Insurance Protection and Accountability Association. Option C, Health Insurance Post Payment Auditing Association. Option D, Health Insurance Accountability and Auditing Act. The right answer is option A, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. The option A is right answer for HIPAA. Then next question, second one. What is the purpose of provider credentialing? There are 4 options. Option A, to make sure that your provider is performing the correct procedures. Option B, to make sure that your provider is correctly licensed to perform procedures. Option C, to make sure your provider pays all the necessary fee to practice. Option D, to allow your doctor to check the credentials of private insurance. So option B is right answer. Purpose of provider credentialing is to make sure that your provider is correctly licensed to perform procedures. Then next question. In the RBRVS calculation, the GPCI takes into account option A, the geographic location of a practice or provider. Option B, the type of provider specialty. Option C, the malpractice risk of a procedure. Option D, the overhead cost of. There is some spelling mistake, I will check. Okay, anyway, the right answer is option A, the geographic location of a practice or provider. Option A is the correct answer for question 3. Then question number 4. An ABN must be signed when? Option A, once the insurance company has denied the payment. Option B, before the service or procedure is provided to the patient. Option C, after service are rendered but before the claim is filed. Option D, once the denied claim has been appealed at the highest level. So here is the right answer. Option B, before the procedure or service is provided to the patient. So option B is the right answer for question 4. Fifth question, medical necessity means what? Option A, without treatment the patient will suffer permanent disability or death. The service require medical treatment. Option C, the condition of the patient justify the service provided. Option D, the care provided met quality stand level. Medical necessity means the condition of the patient justify the service provided. So here is the answer, option C, the condition of the patient justify the service provided. That is the correct answer for option question number 5. Correct answer is option C. Last one. Which of the following statement is not true regarding Medicare Part A? Option A, it helps cover home health charges. It helps cover skilled nursing facility charges. It helps cover hospice charges. It helps cover outpatient charges. So the question should careful. Which of the following statement is not true? So the right answer is option D. It helps cover the outpatient charges.